Phrasal verbs. Gardening. Dig up. Remove something from the ground. We dug up the old tree roots. Water down. Add water to make weaker. He watered down the fertilizer. Sprout up. Begin to grow quickly. Flowers sprouted up after the rain. Weed out. Remove unwanted plants. We weeded out the dead plants. Cut back. Reduce the amount or size. We cut back the branches to help the tree grow. Grow into. Develop into something. The seeds grew into tomato plants. Dry out. Become too dry. The soil dried out in the sun. Put in. Plant something. We put in new roses last weekend. Look after. Take care of. She looks after the garden every day. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And I have a Patreon page. There, you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. Plus, there are many other worksheets and flashcards that go with my other videos. So please check out my Patreon. Support me there so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.